Good morning everyone, my name is Nitin and today we are going to study trigonometric function and its applications. Now, since in previous class we have already discussed how to find the value of cos 1410 degree or cos 1410 degree in negative, or same way we can represent this as cos minus 1410 degrees as well. Here we see that the angle is given in degree. Given in degrees. What if this angle is given in radian? How we are going to find that answer? Today we are talking about that. Let us have a look on that question before we proceed. Tan 19 pi by 3. Here the angle is in radian. You can solve this question by two ways. First way is that convert that angle into degree, that is 19 pi by 3 multiplied by 180 divided by pi, pi and pi got divided, 3 1 ja 360 ja. So we have to find the value of tan. 19 into 6, that is 0, 9 6 54, 4, 5 is up, 6 11 1140 degrees. How we are going to solve this? Tan, divide this 1140 by 90. After dividing it by 90 we will left with 24 0. What we are doing to 90, 1 and 3, 13's 1 and 2, 20 is 180, and we will get the remainder 60. So 90, here what we are going to do, 90 into 12 plus 60 degrees. So this number is even. If this number is even, then what we are going to do, write tan as it is 60 degree, locate the position of the number. Since it is in positive, so we are going clockwise direction. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 plus 60. So here in this everything is positive, so plus sign is added. Tan 60 value is under root 3. This is our answer. This is the first way in which you can solve this problem. And what's the second way? Second way. How you can solve this problem in second way? Let us look. Tan 19 by 3 pi. Tan, since this number is in which form? Simplest form. We are going to convert it into mixed fraction. How we are going to do so? 3, 6, 18 and 1, 19 pi. Now tan, give separate this number. Separate this number, that is 6 pi plus 1 by 3 pi. Any doubts? Now look here, what we are going to do. Tan 6 pi, since we always divide the number by 90 because it is the easiest form. So what we are going to do, 6 multiplied multiply 2 and divide the number by 2 as well and write pi, plus solve this number. 1 by 3 into pi is 180. Tan 6 into 2 is 12, multiply by pi by 2, plus 3 1 ja 360 ja, here we get 60 degree. So tan 12 pi by 2 is 90 degree plus 60 degree. 12 into 90, so the number remains the same. So the trigonometric function remains the same because the 12 is even number. So tan remains the same and 60 comes here. It is positive or negative, we have already looked into it. It is positive. So the answer will be plus tan 60, that is under root 3. Any doubts? We are going to solve one more example of it in order to get a better perspective of the question. For an example, let the question be cot 7 by 4 pi. How we are going to solve so? I am going to solve this question again in two ways. First way is cot, convert this radian form into degree. Pi could cancel out. 4 1 ja 4, 45 degree. Cot 5 3 carry 28 and 3 1 5. Cot, divide this number 315 by 90. What you get? 9 3 ja 270 and you will get the remainder 45. Any doubts? So how we are going to write it? 90 into 3 plus 45 degrees equal to cot 90 into 3, since the number is odd. So we are going to change the name of cot and the cot become tan here and 45 degree. We are going to see is it positive or negative. Here 190, 290, 390 and 45. We are in last quadrant, which is of cos and sec. Here it is tan, so the negative sign will appear here. Tan 45 is 1, so the answer is minus 1. Moving towards the second way, let us look. What is cot 7 by 4 pi? Let us look. Cot, convert this simple fraction into mixed one. So the answer will be 4 1 3. Separate this. What will we get? 1 pi plus 3 by 4 pi is equal to cot. We know that we have to multiply this by 2 and divide it by 2. Plus solve this. 3 by 4 pi is 180 degree. 4 1 ja 4, 45 ja. Cot, it will become 2 into pi by 2 because we are going to write it as pi by 2 and this 2 will appear here. Plus 45 into 3 is 135. Cot 2 into pi by 2, 135 is 90 degree plus 45 degree. 2 into 90 and 3. So this becomes 3 into pi by 2 plus 45 degree. Cot 3 into this is, so what will we get? 3 into means the name of the trigonometric function is going to be changed. Cot will be changed into tan. And 3 into 45 means this number will disappear. We will write 45 degree here. Need to represent coordinate 1 into 90, 2 into 90, 3 into 90, and fourth quadrant is of cos and of sec. So the negative sign will appear here. Minus tan 45 is 1. So the answer is -1 in both the cases. Any doubt? Moving towards the next question, that is of negative sign. How we are going to solve this? What if the question is sine? What if the question is sine minus 11 pi by 3? Here, right, we are going to do this question same in two ways. That is, sine, leave minus at is it, 11 pi by 3 multiply by 180 degree by pi. Pi and pi got cancel out. 3 1 ja, 360 ja. So the answer will be sine minus of 660 degree. We have already done this question in our previous class. How we are going to solve this? Divide 660 by 90. 97 ja, 630. So the remainder is 30. Sine represent minus in front of the number. So 90 into 7 plus 30 degree. The number is odd. So we are going to change the name of the trigonometric function. Sine changes into cos. Everything goes cancel out and we write 30 degree. Now we have to see the in which quadrant it will lie. 19 to 7. Since the sign is negative, we are going in anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we will reach in first quadrant. In first quadrant, everything is positive. Cos of 30 degree will be under root 3 by 2. Any doubts? Similarly, we are going to solve this question by second way. And what's the second way represent? Sine, leave minus at is it, and convert this 11 by 3 into mixed fraction. What will it give us? 3, 3, 9 to 11 pi. Sine represent negative in front of bracket. So you did not get confused. 3 pi plus 2 by 3 pi. Sine 3 into 2 divided by 2 into pi plus 2 by 3 into 180. 3 1s are 360. Sine multiply this number, so it will become minus, represent minus outside the bracket. Minus 6 into pi by 2, because we have to write this pi by 2 as one thing. Plus 2 into 60 is 120. Sine minus outside 6 into pi by 2 plus 120 is represented as 90 plus 30. The negative sign here indicates only that it is moving in clockwise direction, nothing else. So always remember, we are not going to use this negative sign in the question. Here what is 6 plus 1, so it is 7 pi by 2 plus 30 degree. 7 into pi by 2, where we will reach again here, this position. So the sign changes, name changes, because this number is odd. The sign name changes into cos and 30 degree. So the answer will be under root 3/2. Any doubts? We are going to solve one more example of this by both the ways, so that you will get a better view of the question. So the question is cos minus 15/4 pi. Let's solve this in two ways. First way, cos minus 15/4 pi. Cos minus 15/4 pi into 180 degree by pi. Code cancel. 4 ones are 4, 45. Cos 45 into 15, 25, 4, 20, 25. 675 is the answer. So here we get minus 675 degrees. Divide 675 by 90. What we will get? 6 7 ja 630. We will left with 45 as remainder. So cos represent negative in front of it. 90 into 7 plus 45 degrees. Cos minus, if we are writing this step again, the number is odd here, so cos will change itself into sine. Minus represent that we are moving in clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 45. So the answer will be sine of 45 degree, because in first coordinate everything is positive. Sine 45 we all know is 1 by under root 2 is the answer. Any doubts? Let us move to another type of questions, that is, let us solve one more question again of this type, and then we will move towards another type of question. The fourth question will be cot minus 13/4 pi. Let us solve that. We are going to solve this in first way and then second way. Cot minus 3/4 pi into 180 degree by pi. Pi and pi got cancelled out. 4 1s are 4, 45. What is 45 into 13? 15 1, 12 13, 4 5 5 8 5 8 5. So the cot minus 585 degrees. Divide 585 by 90, we will get 540 by 6. Remainder will be 45 degree. So how we are going to represent is 90 degree into 6 plus 45 degree. Minus here does not represent anything. 6 is here, the number is even, so we are going to do cot, no name change, 45 degree. Cot 45 is 1. Now we have to see either we have to put minus sign here or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 45. This coordinate is of sine or cos. But we have cot here. So we are going to add minus sign in front of it. So the answer will be minus 1. Any doubt? I am going to give you some question for homework based on this. First is cot minus 15 by 4 pi. Second is sin 9 pi by 4. Third is cot 6 pi by 6 pi is some difficult. 16 pi by 3. Fourth, tan 8 pi by 3. And fifth is sec minus 9 pi by 4. This is your homework. We are going to do some application based of this type question now. So the first question is sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 plus minus tan square pi by 4. We are going to find the value of this. Firstly, what we are going to do, write square as outside the bracket. Sin pi by 6, pi is 180 degree divided by 6. Cos pi by 3, pi is 180 degree divided by 3. And tan 180 degree divided by 4. This will be 30 sin 30 square plus cos 60 square minus tan 45 square. Write the value of everything. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 square. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 square. And tan 45 is 1 square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. And minus 1 square is 1. Take the LCM of everything. 4, 1 plus 1 minus 4. So the answer will be minus 2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2. Any doubts? If you can take the screenshot if you want. Moving forward on second question. But the second question is cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. We are going to find its solution. What's the solution will be? Cot right square outside the bracket 180 degree divided by 6 plus cosec, since no square is there, so 5 into 180 divided by 6 plus 3 tan square of it 180 degree divided by 6. 6 1 is 6 30 is, so the answer is cot 30 square plus 6 1 is 6 30 is, 5 into 30 is 150 degree plus 3 into 6 1 is 6 30 is, tan of 30 degree square. Value of cot 30 degree is under root 3 square plus cosec 150. How we are going to find it? Cosec divide 150 by 90 is 90 into 1 plus 60 degree plus 3 tan of 30 degree is 1 by under root 3 square. Under root 3 square is 3 plus cosec 90 degree. First quadrant name will be changed, cosec change into sec. 60 degree 1 and the region will be second. Cosec is positive in this region, so we are having plus sign in front of it. Plus 3 into 1 by 3 because square of 1 is 1 and square of under root 3 is 3. 3 and 3 got cut out. Three plus 1 is 4 plus sec of 60. What is the value of sec of 60? Sec 60 value is opposite of cos 30 value, that is 2. So the answer will be 6. Any doubt? Moving forward to next question. That is, the next question is 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3. So how we are going to solve it? 2 multiply, write the square outside the bracket, sine 3 multiply by 180 divided by 4 plus 2 cos, write square outside the bracket, 180 degree divided by 4 plus 2, write square outside the bracket, sec 180 degree divided by 3. 2 into 4 1 ja 4, 45 ja 45 into 3 is sine 135 degree square plus 2 1 ja 45 ja cos 45 degree square plus 2 3 1 ja 360 sec 60 square. 2 into sine 130, that is sine 90 degree plus 45 degree square. 2 into, we are going to solve this and then we will solve that. Sine 90, sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by under root 2 whole square. Here the sign will become, sign that come is of positive because, sorry, little mistake from my side, sorry for that. Firstly, since it is 90 into 1, the number is odd here, so the name will change, cos 45 degree. And in second quadrant, sign is positive, so here the sign positive will appear. Its square plus 2 into cos 45 is 1 by under root 2 square plus 2 into sec 60 value is 2 ka square. Solve it. 2 into 1 ka square is 1, 2 under root 2 square is 2, 2 into 2 square is 4. Into cos 45. Cos 45 value is 1 by under root 2 square plus 2 into 1 by 2, 2 to got cancel out, and 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 1 square is 1, under root 2 square is 2. 2 to got cancel out, 1 plus 8 is 9 and 1 plus 9 is 10. So the answer will be 10. Any doubts?